In this video, I will let you know about the BeEF. Basically, this is the topic is XSS, that is reflected or cross-site script, right? So I have already covered multiple lectures in this how we can hack a website through the example with the reflected XSS and stored XSS. So in this video, I will let you know how the BeEF work and how we inject our code through the BeEF, how we hook the browser, right? So let's start. As you know, I'm using two machine here. First is Kali. This is the attacker machine you can see, and the second machine is Metasploitable 2 machine, right? So I'm using Metasploitable 2 machine for the as a target. So if you see here, if I open the browser, right? So this is the Metasploit IP where I have typed this IP, so I'm able to access these 5 websites for the testing purpose. So you can also configure this Metasploit machine in your local. I have configured this. This is in my VM virtual as a virtual machine, right? In a VMware. So I have also lecture on this, so you can also follow that lecture. So let's example today I will let you know how we can use BeEF on DVWA website. So first you have to start the BeEF. So this is you can see here. This is the BeEF logo which indicate the BeEF. So if you click here, just click on this. So you will get open the terminal here, and it will automatically start, right? So you can see BeEF already start here. So how you can find? So this software provide a link. If you open this link in into your browser, so BeEF will open. So copy just that link into the new browser tab. So BeEF is open. Basically, if first time you log in or you enter this, so then browser will ask for the username and password. So you can type username BeEF and password BeEF. So basically you can see here this is the like control panel of the BeEF where you can control anything on this software BeEF, right? So how this will work, we will hook a browser. You can see here online and offline browser. So how any website will hook or browser will hook from with the BeEF. So I will let you know. So for example, this is your target and this is your target website. So just open your DVWA where we practical. So you can see if you open your terminal, so you will also see here is a URL. You can see this is the URL through which we can hook any browser. So just copy that URL. I have copy and opening my notepad, paste, right? So this is the URL where I have to type the IP, whatever IP you want to hooked. So in this case, for example, if I found my IP, what is my IP? ifconfig. Through this command, you will get the IP. So my IP is 192.168.175.128. So copy just that IP and remove this tag and paste the IP, right? So that means if you use this URL, any XSS where your code is injectable, so you will able to get this hooked browser, right? So for example, in my past video I will showcase you how the reflected access was working. So if you go to the here access reflected, so you can see currently security is true, low, right? So if you go to the access reflected here, you will type any name. So I'm typing dev and submit, so you will get here hello dev, right? And you will see also here the name is equal to dev. So I have already test on this. We are in my past video we have see like we are able to inject our code and reflected access was working. That means this site was injectable or vulnerable, right? So now we know our target. In our target, we can inject our code. So you just copy this code. Here we give the IP of our machine, local machine, right? Where we want to, inject or interact with our machine. So just copy this here. Now you can type this code here from name is equal to dev here in URL, or you already know if I am typing anything here, so my code also injectable. So I am just typing here, right? I have paste this code here. This is the code, and you can also paste this code in dev, right? So if I submit here, so my code is submit. You can see if you go to your control of BeEF, so you can see here a entry will showing here, that is the browser entry, where you can now you are hooked with this IP, right? And now you can do anything, right? So you can see this is the IP of browser, and this is the IP where from which website, like we are using this target website. So you can see target website IP is 175.135. So you can see this is the target website, and we are hooked with the this machine. So here you can see there are multiple things which we can do. We can inject anything. We can do anything here now. So how we use or how we can do something operation on this IP. So I will let you know in my next video. So in this video, that's all, and I hope you will understand how the beef we can use. So this is like, if you see here, if I pass, like if you copy this address, right, and paste here, so this is your target address from starting to here, and it's equal to this is the code which we have inject. So if you basically pass this anyone means which are using your target website and code is injectable, so that user hooked by your with your this beef control, right? So the main thing is that user will be hackable with your beef, right? So through that you can make this type of code, um, which will you help in to learn the beef, right? So this is all in this practical. So first, before going to use beef, I think you should know about the reflected access and stored access, how both access will work. So it will easy to understand the beef, right? So I have already covered multiple lectures about the accesses. So first you have to learn that those accesses, then you have to come on to this beef lecture. So that's all in this video. Thank you.